In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make people anonymous in Darktable. If you're looking to protect the identity of individuals captured in your photographs, or you simply want to create an artistic effect by pixelating or blurring certain features, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process together, step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly and effectively apply this technique to your images. First, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. The darkroom view is where all the magic happens in Darktable. It's where you'll perform all of your photo editing and adjustments. Simply locate your image in the library, click on it, and it will take you directly into the darkroom view. Once you're in the darkroom view, the next step is to activate the Drawn Mask tool. You'll find this tool in the right panel navigation of Darktable. The Drawn Mask tool is key for selecting the specific area of the photo where you want the effect to be applied. By isolating a specific part of the image, we ensure that our modifications don't affect the other parts of your photograph. After activating the Drawn Mask tool, the next choice you need to make is whether to use the Brush tool or the Circle tool. Both tools are effective for covering the person, so it mainly comes down to a matter of personal preference and the specific circumstances of your image. The Brush tool allows for more detailed and free-form selection, while the Circle tool offers a quick and easy method for covering circular or oval-shaped areas. With your tool selected, proceed to cover the person you want to anonymize. You'll want to make sure the mask fully encircles the individual, allowing you to apply an effect that fully anonymizes them. Now, it's time to apply the pixelation or blur effect. You can choose the Pixelate module to give a pixelated look to the masked area, or the Gaussian Blur module if you prefer a blurred effect. Both modules are accessible from the right panel. These effects will obscure the details in the photo, rendering the person unrecognizable. Once the effect is applied, it's crucial to adjust the intensity of the blur or pixelation. Increase or decrease the intensity until you reach a point where the person is entirely unrecognizable. Achieving the right level of anonymity might require a bit of trial and error, so don't hesitate to tweak the settings until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, for a more polished appearance, you might want to feather the mask edges. Feathering helps blend the modified area more naturally into its surroundings, minimizing discrepancies that could make the edit stand out. And that's how you make people anonymous in your photos using Darktable. By following these steps, you can ensure privacy and add a professional touch to your edits. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.